this isn't so bad. Yeah, I thought it'd be a lot worse than this. They'll be able to buff this out, no problem. Oh, yeah.
Hey, are you all right?
And she's okay. Game on!
Holy dooly. Red light, mate.
Piss off. Bugger off.
Go! Two Charlie Golf 5 Tango Lima.
Much later.
Oh shit. Damn. Can't park there, mate. Fuck, he was definitely coming around a bit hard, wasn't he? Oh shit. Oh fuck. Dump truck's gone, fucking tow truck's gone down the ditch.
Oh, I smell something funny. Oh my god, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the
Steal or like reserve an extra like 8 spots. Yeah. Another cockhead.
Dig.
That's a neat trick.
That'll be on
Mitchell's camera.
Mitchell's camera. Give that one to Scotty. What a dig.
Saves a whole lot of time there, Chief.
Straight through the red.
Yeah, well.
Typical ranger activities.
So the femur is not complete. We don't have the knee part, so we don't have the bottom end. So we have a pretty complete hip joint, and that hip joint.
What the fuck? What a fucking fruit loop.
You see, you changed lanes and you shouldn't have done. You see.
No! Idiot!
Use the left 2 lanes to turn. Turn left onto Molly Street.
No, he's gonna go. M96CU. He went through. Fucking hell!
Start event recording.
I'll put this on Scotty's dash cam. See if
Get in line. Somebody must have said it at school, otherwise I wouldn't have even remembered that. It's probably the kind of thing that, you know, we'll say at big... No, it's pointy.
What about?
It's pointy. Okay.
Okay. Well, you ask one.
For sure.
I could be brown, I could be blue, I could be fire.
Place you want to guide people to go.
Yeah, so you keep an eye on the Spirits and Sources group via the Brunel University website. As soon as we have, even if you're encountering people that you have beliefs that are really strange, that person is still a person. Don't go to Glastonbury.
About people who are not skeptics. I mean, we do, but we don't think of them in that respect. You want to understand how they work, how they function. And as we heard in the interview, of course, they are not very different from us in some respects. They have just arrived at different conclusions.